When you're creating a video on a trending topic or an important update, you'll probably notice that researching and preparing the content takes much longer than the actual recording. And that's completely normal. In fact, preparation is one of the most important stages of making a high-quality video. However, if you're producing educational content on a regular basis, this entire process can become tiring and time-consuming. So today, I'm going to share a simple workflow that can make your content creation process much faster, easier, and more organized. Let's see how it works. The first thing many of us do after choosing a video topic is ask an AI tool to generate notes or write content. The problem is that most AI tools provide only broad or generic information. But when you're creating educational videos, you need accurate, reliable, and well-structured content, not just general explanations. That's why the first step should always be gathering trustworthy source material. One of the best tools for this is NotebookLM. It collects information from reliable web sources and organizes everything into one convenient workspace. If you already have articles, PDFs, or useful links related to your topic, simply upload them as sources. If you don't have any material, just enter your topic, and NotebookLM will automatically search the web, find credible references, and add them to your notebook. This means you spend less time searching for information and more time understanding it, saving both time and effort. Now imagine you've researched a topic using several books or multiple reference materials. Instead of reading through everything repeatedly, simply upload the relevant book chapters as PDF files into NotebookLM. The workflow remains exactly the same. Once NotebookLM prepares a summary, don't use it as is. Customize it by asking, based on the notes provided above, generate comprehensive teaching notes organized into the following sections: introduction, background, key points, important facts, examples, and impact. These prompts significantly improve the quality of the output because NotebookLM starts building a proper teaching framework instead of simply generating notes. The next step is creating structured teaching notes. Ask NotebookLM to format the content the same way you normally present lessons in your educational videos. Once the notes are ready, click Save to Note. After saving them, open the three-dot menu and select Convert to Source. This allows NotebookLM to use your refined notes as reference material when generating presentation slides. Now it's time to create the slides. Open the slide deck option, click the next arrow, and enter the prompt. Designing educational slides is often one of the most time-consuming parts of video production, but NotebookLM makes the process incredibly simple. You can choose whichever slide style you prefer. Personally, I like using handwritten style notes because they look clean and are easy to explain. The quality of the generated slides is impressive. The concepts are presented in a logical sequence, supported by diagrams, visuals, and clear explanations that make the topic much easier to understand. During recording, simply use these slides as your guide. Explain each point naturally in your own words while moving through the presentation. Since the slides already contain the key information, diagrams, and notes, you don't need to rely on lengthy scripts. Just refer to the slides and teach the topic using your own style and examples. You'll also find useful comparisons, best practices, and other supporting information already included, making your explanations even more effective. At this point, your recording material is completely ready. One thing to keep in mind is that NotebookLM can organize information, perform research, and structure your content, but your audience connects with your personality, explanations, and teaching style. So don't simply read what's written on the slides. Use them as a guide. Add your own examples, real-life experiences, and audience-specific context to make your lessons more engaging. Finally, open your favorite screen recording software and explain each slide while recording your presentation. And that's it. Your educational video on a trending topic can be ready in less than an hour. With this workflow, you'll spend far less time researching and organizing information, allowing you to focus on delivering valuable lessons to your audience. Let me know in the comments which topic you'd like to create your next educational video on using this workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.